Page 29, Big Ben. The famous clock tower, or the Big Ben, I believe, is one of the bells. It's the name of one of the bells in that big clock tower. It's just in England. And we don't have anything new here, but we are kind of, the music's getting a little more jumbled up. The notes are getting jumbled up. Now, when the notes start getting jumbled up, I like to just take it one hand at a time, and then I go back and try and put the hands together. However, still, we're not playing both hands at the same time yet, so I'm going to take it both hands here because it shortens the video. So I'll look this Big Ben thingy over, and I see it's 2 lines long, 3/4 time signature again, so there's 3 counts in a measure, but its quarter note gets a count. And I'm seeing a bunch of quarter notes and dotted half notes. I think we can handle those. So first, let's just see if we got the notes okay. They give you the chart up there. The right hand is here on middle C, and the left hand is here. So we're sort of in this position, or we're not using all these notes, but that's where the hand is. Because in the left hand, if I put second finger on G, then that makes the hand go here. That's what I'm talking about. So let's just get the notes first. In the right hand, you have an E, a C, and a D, and then the G. See, really, the only thing in the left hand you're playing is the G. And then you only have 3 notes in the right hand. Not bad. But then in you see the 7 at the beginning of the second. Remember, that's a measure number. So that's measure 7. The next one's measure 8. And the next one's measure 9. And they got that dashed line going down. Don't you love those dashed lines? It's not part of the music. It's something they're helping you out with. They're telling you they want you to move your left hand from this G down to this G. They're saying an octave lower. An octave in music is letter to letter. Remember in the duets, I say we got to go up an octave. We're just going from this C to this C, middle C. We're changing it from here to here, C to C. Well, an octave here, we're going from G to G. We're going down now. We're going from this G to G. So you're just moving the hand down here. For the last notes, you're playing them all down here. That's all that means. And you have plenty of time to move it. You need to move it there and have it there ready to go before you play it. So as I'm doing this, during these counts, I'm moving it down here ready to go. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the beat is steady. Of course, you have to look down at the keyboard for that. But otherwise, you shouldn't have to look at the keyboard for this. Then the dynamics. F forte is loud, heavy. How loud? I don't know. Just loud. Not super loud, just loud. Then in the second line, starting when your left hand goes down here, note gradually softer to the end. And in the last measure there, they have a P for soft, piano soft. So each one of these G's you're playing is going to get a little softer. So you're loud, sort of soft, soft. Each one gets a little softer. So each one is getting a little less heavy or a little lighter, which direction you're going. Now they want you to push the damper pedal down. Remember our old friend, the damper pedal? You see in bells, the bells just ring out. They ring out until they run out of ring. There's no stopping them. And we can get that effect on piano by pressing the damper pedal down and leaving it down for the whole piece. So at the beginning, go ahead and push the note down first and then the pedal, and leave the pedal down for the whole piece. It's like this. It's going to all run together, but that's the effect that we're after. And at the end, the keys come up and the pedal comes up at the same time. And I'm not going to show the pedal if that's all we're doing with it. You can do that on your own. When you're first learning it, to get the notes right, leave the pedal out because you can hear the notes better without the pedal. After you have it learned and you can play it okay, then you add the pedal. Always add the pedal last. At the bottom of the page, they have a Premier Performer thing. If you want to try that, go ahead. It's where you can play this piece higher or lower on the keyboard if you want to try it. So instead of here, you can come up here, or come up here, or come down here. I don't care. You can play it in different parts of the piano, just to hear what the different sounds are at the different ranges of the piano. I'd like to play this duet with you as you play what you're playing. However, the duet has nothing but dotted half notes. And that's not going to work here because I need to keep a beat. Because I can't hear you, I can't stay with you. So I'm going to change this and play quarter notes throughout somewhere so we can keep a beat. I'll give us 3 counts because it's a 3/4 time. Let's play it together slowly. 1, ready, go.